Hi friends, welcome to BBP Creations. Friends, first of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year 2021. So friends, in today's session, we are going to do an activity that is how to find the surface area of a cylinder. How to find surface area of a cylinder, right? And from that, we can learn very easily and we can frame very easily the formulas. Let us see. So I have taken a graph, dear friends. You can able to see here a graph paper. Why I have taken the graph? Because here, so everything here, every box, the area of one box will be 1 centimeter square. Area of one box will be 1 centimeter square. So it will be very useful for us. That is the reason I have taken here a graph paper. So dear friends, and so exactly I have made it as a rectangle. Okay, so with the length of 22 centimeters as well as the breadth of 10 centimeters, you can able to see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the breadth of a rectangle is 10 centimeters and the length is 22 centimeters. So I have taken here. So first of all, I have made a paper, a rectangular. I have taken a rectangular graph. So in which the length is 22 centimeters as well as breadth is 10 centimeters. So I'm just writing here L is equal to 22 centimeters as well as B is equal to 10 centimeters. So dear friends, you can observe here carefully. So I just wanted to fold this rectangular paper, right? I just wanted to fold this rectangular paper towards its length, so that I am joining the bases here. You can see the breadth. So by joining this one, we can able to see a solid figure. And this solid figure, now it is in the form of a cylinder. It is in the form of a cylinder, right? So can you able to see? Now you see, dear friends, you can observe here. So now I have made this rectangular graph into the cylinder. Now you see what here we can observe the base, the circular base. Yes or no? The circular base on both the sides, the bottom and the top face and the bottom face, right? So here what is happening here, if you observe carefully, I am just folding this circularly towards its length. So we can able to see here a solid figure which is a cylinder. So dear friends, you can observe carefully that. So what is happening here, the length is becoming as you see here, the length is becoming as a circumference of a circle. So we know that length is equal to 2 pi r. That means length is a circumference of a circle, right? So we know that here L is equal to 2 pi r. L is equal to what? 2 pi r. L is equal to 2 pi r. As we know that circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, right? And the breadth is nothing but here what? Here the breadth is acting as height of a cylinder. So the height of a cylinder, h is equal to h. H is equal to what? H only. Height of a cylinder. That means the breadth is equal to what? Height. Okay. The breadth of a rectangle is acting as the height of a cylinder. Okay, which is height of a cylinder. Height of a cylinder. This is what? H. So dear friends, now you can observe here. Now I just wanted to find the area of the rectangular graph. This area of the graph is equal to area of the rectangular graph. So simply I am writing rectangle which is equal to area of rectangle. We all know that length into breadth. Length into breadth. So, my dear friends, you can observe here the area of a rectangle. I'm making it as a circular prism, that is a cylinder. So this is, we know that this is the total, this area is the curved surface area of cylinder. So I'm writing here curved surface area. Curved surface area is equal to, curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to, we got L is equal to 2 pi r. So simply we can write 2 pi r, and breadth is equal to height of a cylinder h, 2 pi r h square units. So dear friends, you can see here, so curved surface area of a cylinder can be written as 2 pi r h square units. So we can also remember this one. Curved surface area is equal to circumference of the base into height, or else perimeter of a base into height. As it is a family of prisms, cylinder is a family of prisms, so we can use that one, right? Now let us see, dear friends, here. Now let us calculate whether we get the correct answer or not. See, area of a rectangle, you can able to see here. I just given numberings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on up to 22. The length is 22 centimeters and the breadth is 10 centimeters. So dear friends, you can see 22 into 10 is 220. So here are 220 centimeter square area is there. So the area of this rectangular graph is 220 centimeter square. So let us find whether we get the same answer or not here. That is equal to 2 times of 22 by 7. Just I am taking the value of pi as 22 by 7 here. As we don't know the exact value of pi, just the approximate value we have taken here, and the radius. So here this is very important, dear friends. We don't know what is the radius over here. We can find the radius by applying. We know here length. What is the length here? 22 centimeters. 22 centimeters is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, as we are making it as a circumference of a circle, 2 times of 1, 2 times of 11, right? So here, as I am taking the value of pi is 22 by 7, right? And here is 11 centimeters. 11 ones are 11 twos are 2 ones are 2, 3.50. So therefore the radius is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Radius is equal to what? 3.5 centimeters. So I can take here 3.5 centimeters, and the height is 10 centimeters. Height is what? 10 centimeters. So dear friends, now we can observe 3.5 ones are 3.5 twos are 2 times of 1, 2 times of 11. 2 times of 11 is 22. 22 times of 10 is what? 220. Centimeter into centimeter square. So we got it. So in the formula, when we are applying all the values, so we got the same answer, 220 centimeter square. As well as for this one also, you can able to see here. So 1, 2, so on up to 22, 23 to 24, so on up to here. Totally we have how many boxes? Square boxes 22. 220 square boxes are there. So 220 centimeter square area of this rectangular graph paper. So we are making this into a cylinder. So the curved surface area of a cylinder is also 220 centimeter square. So dear friends, now we discuss about what is the total surface area? What is the total surface area of a cylinder? Right? Let us calculate this one. So friends, now we can see here. So in this cylinder, now we can able to see that the curved surface area as well as the base, okay, here the top face, right, and also the bottom face, so these are the bases. This is the bottom one and this is the top one. So in this we know that the bases of a cylinder are circles, so what we know that curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH square units. So for this total surface area means we need to include even total surface area. So already we know that curved surface area. Now what the surface is there? The bottom surface as well as the top surface, right? So we need to calculate even that one. Now you see how total surface area. So simply I can write TSA of a cylinder, CSA of a cylinder, right? How many bases are there for this? 2 bases, and each base is a circle. So area of circle we know that pi r square. So TSA of a cylinder is CSA plus 2 of area of a base. Now you see here CSA is what? The CSA is 2 pi RH plus 2 into area of base is what? 2 pi r square, right? Area of base is pi r square, area of base is 2 pi r square. From here we can take a common 2 pi r. So 2 pi r of h, 2 pi r of h is 2 pi r h plus r, 2 pi r of r is r square. So square units, here units are must, square units. So dear friends, now we got how to find the curved surface area of a cylinder. Simply the area of a rectangular paper, okay, when we are making that as a cylinder, so from that area we formed, that means so we find the curved surface area of a cylinder. With the help of CSA of a cylinder, we also got the formula for TSA of a cylinder. So dear friends, so you can apply the values here, whatever the values are there, okay, you can apply it and you can check it, you will be getting the correct answer, right? So dear friends, you see this is a very good activity. So my dear friends, if you like this video, please like it, share it, and if you till now if you do not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it, please make sure to share it, and thank you all my dear friends, thank you all, thank you very much. Once again I wish you all a very happy new year 2021. Take care all of you. Bye.